Hello everybody, welcome to our factory. This workshop special for the splitting machine, shaving machine and flash machine. And you will follow my hand. In this part, it's for our spare parts, the machinery frame, hydraulic parts for the installation. After we finish this part, we will come to this part. Here is from the assembly for the machinery, the first part, second job, third job, and the next. So you will find this is our splitting machine. Splitting machine, the first part, the job for the assembly, the frame, some the hydraulic parts, the basic parts. This is a 1, 2. This both belongs to the liming skin splitting machine. And you will come here, you will find it. Here is for our splitting machine for the wet blue. The before is for the liming machine. Here is also for the wet blue, the splitting machine. And you will see the difference between the splitting machine we copy the Mosconi, Messier, or the Platy type. So all the foundation is the same with the top ground. So here is the finished parts. Here is the you will find is the finished the wet blue the splitting machine. Splitting machine. Here is also the splitting machine. Just the working size is the difference here. This working size is 3.2 meter, and before have the 1.8 meter. And now here is for the shaving machine, and you will find here is the logo we exported to Europe. This is for the shaving machine. Shaving machine. The working size is 3 meters. And you will find come here. This is our the splitting machine for adjustment for the each part, and also we do some the test for the splitting machine. And later we will show you the detail of the name for the working line. And also you will find here is finished the parts. All the machinery finished. We will try to cover them, put them the wear, and also this is the first part for our whole machinery showing. Our factory special for the splitting machine, shaving machine, and flash machine. Thank you. It's all.